Elon Musk is not getting White House invites because advisors fear that he might embarrass Biden. A new report. It's a possibility.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Recent reports have indicated that there might be a reason why Tesla CEO Elon Musk is not invited to electric vehicle-focused White House events. As it turns out, Biden's advisors are quite hesitant to invite Tesla CEOs since they are concerned that Musk might do or say something to embarrass the U.S. president. I mean, that's a weird reason, though.
Yeah.
Because
it's kind of embarrassing to say this.
Well, it's a report. I mean, it's not coming directly from Biden. I'm sure he would never admit such things.
But Elon responded to it.
Oh, did he?
Oh, because he wants to go visit. Well, here's the thing. They're selling a lot of electric vehicles.
Oh, he says nothing to worry about.
And if anybody should have a meeting when it comes to energy and the environment and things like this guy's doing a lot of things in that area. And it could be very beneficial
He's the main guy.
To have a tight relationship with policymakers. And just for better understanding, sharing of information, things like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so he replied to that initial story by saying, I assume in a tweet, they have nothing to worry about. Oh, no. He told CNBC. He responded to CNBC.
Probably in a tweet.
He said, I would do the right thing. I guess that means not embarrassing him.
Yeah.
But in other words, yeah, I have to say, Musk is more of a loose cannon on social than real life.
Yeah.
I can't think of too many circumstances in real life where he comes off the way he comes off on Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree.
He in real life seems to be fairly jovial.
Mm-hmm.
Optimistic.
And
very optimistic too.
Like any appearances I've seen. Now, I guess those appearances have mostly been with people that he likes to begin with.
No,
Right.
even in interviews and stuff.
With people he doesn't like?
Well, I mean, I don't think he has much of an opinion on who's interviewing him.
Ooh, I don't know about that.
Really?
I think if he didn't like a person, he could say no to an interview. Probably happens all the time. You know how many requests they get he would get for interviews?
Yeah, but I don't think he's like, I don't like this person. It's just an interview. It's just to get his word out.
Sometimes, yes. I think other times he's very selective of where he goes to talk and who he's talking to.
Right, yeah. That I will stand. Yeah.
Like, I mean, those are different appearances on Rogan or Lex Friedman, or I know he's done stuff with Everyday Astronaut on YouTube. Like, it's not necessarily, I mean, it is the biggest platforms, but then it's also, and then you don't see him on CNN, for example.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure CNN would have him.
Wants him, yeah.
I'm sure Fox News would have him, but you don't see him popping up over there. So I think that there is some selectiveness. But anyway, he says, bring me to the White House. I'll be cool.
Mm-hmm.
No worries. I'll behave myself.